Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Overwatch 2 crashing and freezing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to update your drivers and Windows. To update your drivers, you just need to open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, you just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, same method, you just need to repair game files. To do this, open up Steam or battle.net. Right click on the game and select properties. Select install files and select verify integrity of game files. After verifying the files, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, that method you just need to disable overlays. Disable overlays from software like Discord, GeForce Experience or Xbox Game Bar as they can interfere with the game. Fourth method, you just need to adjust the graphics settings. Reduce in-game settings such as shadow, reflections and texture quality. Turn off VSync and set game to run in a windowed or borderless mode for improved stability. Fifth method, you just need to optimize the system resources. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Processors section, you just need to close unnecessary background applications to free up CPU and RAM. After closing that, just to close stuff here. Sixth method, you just need to run as administrator and disable full screen optimization. To do this, you just need to open the Steam or battle.net, right click on the game and select manage and select browse local files. You just need to right click on the game exe file and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to check mark disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for changes. Now you can launch the game from here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.